What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Michael Schaefer, and we're back with another video. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. I went to basic training in AIT. Had a beautiful time with that. Might tell some stories later on. But I'm changing the channel now. So instead of doing gaming, I love gaming. I might bring a little bit of gaming onto the channel, but we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna do some cooking. So this will be our first cooking video, which I'm really excited for because it's something that's true and dear to me. I love cooking. My job outside of the National Guard involves cooking. So, I mean, what a perfect channel for me. I might not have a whole bunch of subscribers now that I'm first starting off with a cooking channel, but we're going to build from what I have right now, which is like, I think 15 subscribers. We're just going to build off that and see where this channel takes us and what we can do. Let's get into the video. Peace. Alright, so the first thing that we're making for our channel is right here. Milk chocolate brownies. Looks beautiful. So some of the things you're going to need for milk chocolate brownies. You need your brownie mix, which is right here. You need your measuring cups. You need a thing to scoop out stuff. So right there. And you need 1 egg. Oh, and you need vegetable oil right there. So that's about all you're going to need. You're going to need a clean pan or whatnot. I mean, you can use a dirty one if you want to, but that's kind of disgusting. Why would you use a dirty one? But this is just the stuff you're going to need to actually make it. A pan, brownie mix, vegetable oil, egg measuring thing, and a thing to get the batter out of the bowl. Alright, let's get started. So I did forget to mention one thing, or two things. One of the things you're going to need is a bowl, so that way you can put the mix into it and, you know, mix it all up. The other thing you're going to need is a whisk. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off by doing is pouring our mix into the bowl. So we're going to open up this mix and get it poured into this bowl, and you guys can watch that from right where you're at. Ooh. Oh. Alright guys, so when you're doing this, don't act like me and like pop the bag open by accident, make a mess there, and then start pouring the bag in and make another mess. I didn't lose a whole bunch, but hopefully it still tastes the same once we get it poured in. Alright, so the next thing that we need to put in is the eggs, the vegetable oil, and off camera I greased up our pan that our batter is going to go into after it's all mixed up. But we need to get the egg, oh, and water. Egg, water, and vegetable oil all in. So let's get a move on that. Ah. Yeah, it's all over. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. We gotta take our whisk and mix this all up. Alright, you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera. So I couldn't figure out why this wasn't mixing up well. I just kind of figured it out. It says 2 eggs and I only put 1. So that means we gotta drop another egg into this. So let me go ahead and do that and get it mixed up. Alright, we got that all mixed up. Looks nice and good. Really creamy, smooth. Goes well. And we're going to pour it in here because our oven's almost ready. Alright, we got most of that poured in now. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Now we just gotta wait for our oven to finish preheating. It's supposed to be at 350, we're at 325. And if you want to see the temperatures, they are right there. Depending on your pan size. The temperatures are all 350 for them, but times are the things that vary. If you got a 13 by 9, it's 24 to 26 minutes. 9 by 9, 40 to 42 minutes. 8 by 8, 49 to 51 minutes. Can you see that? There you go. But depending on what size you got, depends on, you know, how long it cooks. I'm not sure how big this pan is, so I'm going to put it in for 24 minutes roughly, and we'll check on it. Or, yeah, 24 minutes I'm going to put in, and then we'll check on it in 24 minutes. See where it's at. Now it's time for the best part of helping anybody cook something. It's licking this. Tastes good. Amazing. Amazing. Alright, we'll check up on this whenever it comes out and see how it came out. I might put it in longer depending on how it comes out. But once I actually fully take it out for sure, I'll let you guys know how long I cooked it for. Alright, it is finally done. I cooked it for about 26 minutes. But now it's time for the fun part now that's done. Which is you take your spatula and you get you a slice. I really like I hate the corner slices. But for this we're gonna do a corner slice. I could have cooked it a little bit longer, but 26 minutes looked pretty good. Oh yeah, that fell apart though. Yep, that's done. And now it's time to taste test. Rip us off, cut us off some. And now we taste it. Blow on it so that way it doesn't burn me. Really good. Amazing. I'm good. I'm good at this. Alright. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you wanna see any more like this, just leave a comment down below. Tell me what to cook next. Nothing crazy yet. Just like simple stuff right now. And then later on down the road, then we'll get into very, you know, hard stuff. Like, you know, like Gordon Ramsay kind of food. But this is good for now. I'm going to try and make like a video a week, maybe two. Because I really like cooking. So this is something I'm going to keep up with a lot. And just leave a like. See you in the next one. Peace.